Grade 3 Science. Plants. Vocabulary. The part of the plant that make fruit and seeds are called the flowers. The part of the plant that hold seeds are called the fruits. The part of the plants that get sunlight and make food are the leaves. The part of the plants that carry water from roots to leaves and also hold the leaves are called the stems. And the part of the plant that take in water and hold the plant in place are called the roots. Let's read. Plants are living things. To stay alive, plants need certain things. Each part of a plant helps it get the things it needs. In this book, you will learn about what plants need, what each plant part does, how plants make food, where plants live. And we've already talked about the parts of the plants. If you want to read back over this, you can do that on your own. We will now go to page 6. Most plants need 6 things to live: air, soil, water, light, food, a place to live. Plants use air, water, and light to make food. Making food is a very important job. Animals cannot make their own food. They eat plants or other animals that eat plants. Most plants get the water they need through their roots. The roots soak up water found in soil. Some plants have one big root. Other plants have many smaller roots that spread out. Usually, the bigger a plant is, the larger its roots are. Stems carry water from the roots to the leaves and other plant parts. Plants have either soft or hard stems. Some plants have one large stem. Other plants just have many smaller stems. Most plants make food in their leaves. The leaves use air and water to make food. Air enters through tiny holes on the underside of leaves. The leaves also gather sunlight. Leaves come in many shapes and sizes. Stems grow toward the sun to help leaves get sunlight. The energy from sunlight helps plants combine air and water. This makes the food that plants need. Stems carry the food to different parts of a plant. Much of the food we eat comes from plants. Plants store the food they make in different parts. Some food is stored in roots and stems. Some is stored in leaves. And some is stored in fruits and nuts. People and other animals eat these parts. Most new plants grow from a seed. Seeds are made by flowers. Many flowers become fruit. Seeds are found inside the fruit. Some plants, like pine trees, have cones instead of flowers. Seeds are made inside the cones. Seeds come in many shapes and sizes. Every seed can become a plant. Seeds need water and air to sprout. Seeds are carried by air, water, and even animals. If they land in a good place, they can begin to grow. Plants are found growing all around the world. They grow on land and in water. They grow best where it is warm and wet. They can grow in cold places and dry places too. Plants that grow in dry places have parts that are different from plants that grow in wet places. This cactus grows in a dry place. It has a thick green stem. Food is made in its stem. Water is stored in its stem. This plant grows in a rainforest. It has large leaves to gather sunlight. This plant grows in fresh water. It has a round shape and floats in the water. Plants are living things with different parts. Plant parts help plants make their own food. The food they make becomes food for other living things. You eat plant parts every day. They help you grow and keep you healthy. Now the discussion questions. I will read the question and give you a few seconds to think about the answer. What do plants need to live? Plants need air, soil, water, light, food, and a place to live. What do plants use to make food? Plants use air, water, and light to make food. How do most plants get water? Most plants get water through their roots. What part of the plant usually makes food? Most plants make food in their leaves. Where do most plants grow toward? Most plants grow toward the sun. What do most new plants grow from? Most new plants grow from seeds. Where are seeds found? Seeds are found inside the fruit. Good job!